Hey guys, welcome back to Vlogs. Man, it has been so long since I've said that. Today is July 3rd. Literally been like almost 2 months since I vlogged. Sorry, I just haven't really been doing much anything that could be vlogging. But today, or I should say tonight, I'm going to go see some fireworks. So, for the 4th of July. So let's go and go see them. I'm parked here, so and the place that we're going to see them is more up that way. So guys, here we are at the spot. Should be shooting them off somewhere over there. And yeah, we'll just be waiting here for a little while. So switch positions, just because right there, tree was covering it, so just moved over a little bit because I got like 1 or 2 off right there. So just waiting now. Should be almost ready in a couple minutes. Well guys, I hope you all enjoyed that fireworks show, and also happy 4th of July to all my fellow Americans out there. And if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe, and hopefully soon more vlogs will come. And I'll see y'all next time.
It's